Once you have Rail in your Ethereum wallet, you can stake it on the Railgun governance portal at governance.railgun.org, which will allow you to stake Rail to earn active governors' rewards, vote on proposals, or delegate your voting power. Simply connect your wallet containing Rail and execute the staking approval transactions. Note that you will need to do 2 transactions, one for approve and another to stake. Note that to unstake, there is a 30-day unlock period, during which you will have no voting power, nor will you earn rewards. This constitutes a proof of commitment mechanism to protect the integrity of governance. Plan your stakes accordingly. The Railgun privacy system generates fees on every shield and unshield transaction. Active governors who stake tokens and participate in governance may claim rewards from the treasury, which is distributed as a 2% allocation proportional to the treasury balance of Ethereum, DAI, and Rail, paid on a bi-weekly basis. This means as Railgun generates more fee activity, stakers earn a percentage of that activity. You can look up important data relating to Railgun using tools like DeFi Llama. Go to defilama.com. Here you can see metrics like fee revenue, TVL, market cap, and more. This tool can help you gauge the risk profile of your token holdings. Staking rewards are paid in Ethereum, DAI, and Rail every 2 weeks, and the yield of these payouts will change based on a variety of factors. Your yield is calculated based on the following 8 factors, which are always changing. It is therefore impossible to have a 100% accurate representation of your yearly yield, but the calculator tool gives you a realistic estimation. 1. The current amount of Rail staked by the user. 2. Current total amount of voting Rail staked in the treasury. 3. Current volume taken from the contract for token X. 4. Current exchange rate to USD for token X. 5. Bi-weekly protocol usage volume growth rate. 6. Size of the treasury. 7. Drawdown of treasury tokens. 8. Yield received. On the stake page, you can view the staking interval, next snapshot date, total Rail staked, total voting power, as well as your current stakes. On the rewards page, you can check the DAI, Ethereum, and Rail treasury balances, unclaimed rewards, and rewards by interval. On the proposals page, you can check any proposals being applied to the on-chain governance. That's it. You are now ready to start earning active privacy rewards as a function of participating in the Railgun governance system.